Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about protected members and class access, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, class members can be declared as public, private, or protected. This controls the access level of the class members and affects how they can be accessed outside of the class. Public members can be accessed from anywhere both inside and outside of the class. Private members can only be accessed within the class and cannot be accessed from outside of the class. Protected members can be accessed within the class and its derived classes, but cannot be accessed from outside of the inheritance hierarchy. Protected members are useful in inheritance, as they allow derived classes to access the properties and behaviors of the base class, but still keep them hidden from other code outside the inheritance hierarchy. Here is an example of protected members in C++. In this example, the width and height members of the shape class are declared as protected, meaning they can be accessed from the rectangle class, which inherits from the shape. The area method in the rectangle class uses the width and height members to calculate the area of the rectangle. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.